This video we will see one of the feature from Rails 7, that is asynchronous query. Using this asynchronous query we can run multiple queries at a time. This going to affect on execution time majorly. So to make you understand clearly, I have mentioned the same piece of code how it's working in Rails 6 and Rails 7. If you look into this first example, Rails 6, this method has two query. The first query takes 10 milliseconds to run. The second query takes 5 milliseconds to run. Total it takes 15 milliseconds to run. The same piece of code, the same execution on the query, but total execution of the method it takes just 10 milliseconds. If you look at the difference in Rails 6, the first query has to work and finish, and then only the next query start to work. But in Rails 7, the both queries started to work at a time with the help of asynchronous query method load async. That's the reason the total execution time of Rails 7 with the help of asynchronous query it's less. It's very powerful. Thank you.